This is M-A-M-P. We're in Bloomington, Indiana. We're under a tornado warning. And so we're trying to find a tornado. We're not quite sure where it is. We think we know where it is, but we really don't know for sure. Pull up a weather map. We gotta get over there. We gotta get over there, the clearing. We can for sure see it.
I'm not hearing any sirens or anything.
Right now.
Van just he's in Walmart, so holler at him when we get
Tell him we're chasing a tornado in Bloomington. We're trying to. We're actually on our way to Bedford, but on our way we're chasing a tornado.
like 15 minutes.
It's not over there. Stuff. It's that over there. We're not ghost hunters.
Weather is getting bad.
We're not ghost hunters right now. We're tornado chasers. That's our real life right now. Tornado chasing.
Almost looks like a funnel.
Just keep following this for a while. That right there, I need a good shot of. Imagine
That's what they're watching.
it's gotta be it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what else it could be. If you can take a video of it right there. So you just hold this.
Huh?
Just hold the camera that way. There you go. I can roll down the window.
Yeah, we should do a reflection.
I think we're gonna stop right up here. Watch this. See if it touches down.
It's not really. It's not like it. They just look like they have the potential.
There's no spinning yet though.
Nope.
It's coming our way. All the cloud movement is. It's gotta be it over there.
That's probably what the big cell that they're talking about right there.
I don't see anything else that could
This side's actually tapering back off.
Is it? You can zoom
Yep.
into it.
Where did you zoom again?
It's this point over here. You gotta push that. So to zoom into that cell. Yeah, the tornado sirens.
It's not really, it doesn't look like it's moving enough to be a tornado, though.
All we need is some rotation.
That's what it's not doing at all.
Just keep an eye on it for right now. It's gotta be the sound. What else can
Yeah, you can see it better through your camera. It's not funneling.
Something's going on up there. These clouds are actually moving to the right. So we might actually have circulation going on.
I think it's probably still farther that way.
See those lower end clouds?
See, they start to kind of, and then they just pull, they go back.
Just trying to. We're like going to be right in the middle of it, so there's a tornado. Well, I don't know. Head for low ground, yes.
It's breaking up.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Get the other stuff too to your right. See anything that possibly do anything?
Not really. It would have to be like, they'd have to be going this way and this way to get the motion of it going. And it's not making that kind of movement at all. But that's definitely
Not yet, though.
what they're watching, I betcha.
Looks like there's circulation going on. Right over here.
I just don't think it's fast enough yet.
Nope.
The wind shears aren't there yet. It's definitely got some potential, though. I'll give it that. Yeah. Right there.
Wow, we need a touchdown.
It's going, see it going back up?
Yeah. I mean, it's trying, you can tell there's definitely activity going on, but it's not.
I don't think the wind current is strong enough. You want to get it out the back window for a second?
Yeah. Oh man, we're gonna be a little later because we turned into tornado chasers. Something's gotta happen, come on.
It's going to take it a long time, P, because it's just the wind's not strong enough. The wind would be like, if that was one forming, the wind would be fucking whipping. Those trees are just perfectly still.
Calm before the storm. You gotta keep your hopes up here. It's been a while since I've seen that tornado.
Turning it off. Yeah, that's probably the one that they just turned the siren off. That's probably what they're watching, though.
It's gotta be.
That's that big cell that Bob was telling me about. That one's coming from this way and one's coming from this way. And if the two should happen to meet in said middle, no luck.
Just chill here. We got time. Some nasty stuff, though. If that were to develop.
It definitely has the potential to. I don't hear the sirens anymore either.
Nope. I think the threat must be over.
If anything, though, that's what they're keeping an eye on, though.
But they must have saw some rotation, and then never garnered enough strength.
The winds just aren't strong enough. They're starting to get some lightning now.
Yeah, I saw lightning.
I bet you by the time because we gotta go back that way to Whispers.
So stuff is almost right over us.
Yeah, if that big part, if that was gonna be doing anything, it'd be doing it.
Oh, it's trying though. I mean, you can see it trying.
Problem is only moving that way. There's no wind coming from the other direction.
It's okay.
So you can see the end of it now. It's at the top of the trees.
Yeah, never garnered enough strength. It's still kind of cool though.
It is. It's got potential. I mean, that could have been something right there. Luckily, I know you want to see one. But the clouds would have to be going in both directions.
My 10th one I've seen.
To get it whipping.
Just never got one on camera before.
Yeah, it's tapering off.
Well, that pretty much does our tornado warning. We just saw. It's still kind of exciting though.
Oh yeah, it's really pittering away. Look at it.
Yeah, there's lightning.
It's gonna end up being one hell of a fucking thunderstorm.
Yeah.
It fizzled out.
Oh well.
Damn.
So close, but it's
No
not
cigar.
enough. Alright, well, we gotta go before this thing starts coming down.